one object to the another object. When work is said to be done, when work is said to be done means when a force is applied and there is some displacement. A force is applied and there is some displacement. So the formula for work is equal to W is the product of force and displacement. The product of force and displacement. This we have studied in our earlier class. And the SI unit of the work is Newton meter, or we can also write it as joule. We can also write it as joule. In this, we have also seen two types of work, that is positive work and negative work. Yes? Before that, we have told, means we have learned about where the work is said to be done. Where the work is said to be done. Means if the force is applied, then there should be some displacement. Yes? Means if there is a book on the table, for example, this is the table, and if there is a book on the table, if you are applying some external force, means you are pushing the book, right? Then what happens? The book will be displaced till here. The book will be displaced means there is some displacement in the object. Means when the force is applied, there is some displacement. You can denote the displacement with S. In some cases, you will denote it with D. In some cases, you will denote it with X, Y. That is, depending upon the situation, the notation will change. In most of the cases, we will be denoting it with S and D. Distance and displacement most familiarly with S and D. Now, we have seen this all in our earlier session, right? Now, what is the positive work and what is the negative work? See, we are having two types of work. I have already discussed in your earlier class, but to recall that one once again, I am explaining. Positive work means the direction of force. See, the direction of force and direction of displacement. The direction of the force and the direction of the displacement, if they are in same direction, if they are in same direction. See children, if you want to note down, you can note down. Positive work means the direction of force and the direction of displacement. They are in the same direction. They should be in the same direction. Then if the work is said to be done, that type of work is called as positive work. For example, opening a door riding a bicycle, and if a patient is sitting in a wheelchair, if anybody is making to move him, means he is pushing from backside, no, the motion of that wheelchair will be also the positive work done. Okay, and I will be showing my screen. I will be showing my screen afterwards to you. I will be explaining more examples there. These are all the examples of positive work. Okay. Next, if you, for example, if you are swimming, what is that? Can you guess? Not only men, even the fish is swimming with the help of its gills, right? What is that? What is the displacement? What is the direction of the displacement? And what is the direction of the applied force? Yes, that is said to be the negative work. Now we are going to see about the negative work. Meanwhile, you think about examples of the negative work. Some examples, okay? Negative work. What will be the negative work? Positive work is the direction of displacement and the direction of force. Both are in the same direction. Now, negative work, that is direction of applied force and direction of displacement See here, children, the variation of the positive work and the negative work. This direction of applied force and the direction of displacement. They both are in opposite direction. Opposite direction means if you are applying the force in the forward direction, then the displacement will be in the opposite direction. The displacement will be in the opposite direction. Then the work is said to be negative work. If you want to copy, you can copy. The direction of applied force and direction of displacement, they are in opposite direction. Already I have told you one example, that is swimming. Next, one more example is a man rowing a boat. A man rowing a boat, because with the help of that sticks he will be pushing the water backward, means the direction of the water is backward and the direction of the boat will be in the opposite direction to the water, means the applied force is in this direction, the boat is going in the opposite direction. So, there the work done is said to be negative work. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now, we will move on to the next topic. Yes. See, from morning to evening in our daily activities, we will be doing a lot of, we will be getting exhausted. Yes, means if you are doing work, you are losing what? What you are losing? If you are doing work, what you are losing? Yes, you are losing your energy. Means if you are doing the energy, means if you are applying some force, where is the energy going? Where is the energy going? Now we will be talking about energy. See, I have told you in a earlier session example of work done is equal to 0 also, right? Now, if I'm pushing this blackboard, after some time what happens? The displacement will be equal to 0. But I am not applying my force. Whether I am applying the force or not. Yes, even I am applying the force, the displacement is 0. Then where is my force and where is my energy going? See, if I am pushing like this, after some time I will be getting tired, I will be exhausted, means I am losing my energy levels. So if work is not done, where is my energy going? If there is some work done, if energy is lost, we will think that is transferred into the work. Even if the work is not done, where is the energy going then? Means energy is transferred. Energy is transferred from one object to another object. From this, for example, this is object A, this is object B. Energy is transferred from one object to another object. That's why you are getting exhausted. So your energy, you are losing your energy. You are draining your energy. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we will see what actually the energy means. What is energy? Till now we have seen what is work done, what are the types of work, units of work, whether it is a positive work or negative work. In some cases even work is also 0. Now we are going to see what is energy. What is energy then? See, the definition of the energy is the capacity to do work. The capacity to do work is nothing but the energy. See, the example of this is whether you and your father have the same energy. For example, this is son, that is yourself. Son means either son or daughter, don't worry. This is father. Okay, children. Now, if there is a 25 kg bag of rice bag, will you be able to lift it? Or your father will be able to lift it? Everybody knows the answer that your father will be able to, he will be able to lift the 25 kg rice bag. Why you are not able to lift it? Because you are not having enough amount of energy. You don't have the capacity to lift it. You don't have the capacity. You don't have the capacity to lift this bag. You can lift your school bag. You will lift the vegetables and you will be doing some sort of work which you have the capacity to do. That capacity, that ability of the person to do the work is called as energy. Do every individual will be having the same energy? No, because you have seen now in the same family, at least you are not having the same energy levels. Yes. Can you make out one more example, children? Here, we took the father and the son. Now you take an example of the same, your classmate, your neighbor who is sitting beside you in the class. Will you be able to read whatever he reads in 1 hour? Example, reading of question and answers. Reading of question and answers. See, at least if one person takes 1 hour to read 10 questions. Questions means questions and as well as answers. If one person is taking 1 hour to read 10 questions, somebody may take 1.5 hours. This is person A, person B and person C may take only 30 minutes. This happens in your regular classes or not? Yes, somebody will get more marks, means 25 out of 20, 100 out of 100. Somebody will get only 70 marks. Somebody will get only 50 marks. Means depending on the capacity of the child or depending upon the capacity of the student, the marks are, means you are getting the marks. Whatever you will write with the ability, you will write on the paper, you will get the marks. Means the capacity of the student is varying, right? The capacity, the ability of each student is different. Some may be very well performing on the stage. Some may be very good at sports. Some may be very good at dancing, swimming, like that. Means where every person will be having different capacity, different abilities. That capacity to do work is called as energy. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now, what are the units of energy? What are the units of energy? Can you guess it? SI unit of energy. There are the same units for work as well as energy, because energy is only converted into the work. Unit of energy is, again, you already well know that one, Newton meter, or you can write it as joule. Is it clear, children? Do you have any doubts? Now, I will share my screen regarding the same topic. Okay? I will share my screen regarding the same topic, work and energy. Open work. Pause. Are you able to see my screen, children? Put in the chat box. Are you able to see my screen? Yes. See here, children. First, you are having about work and energy. Already you know that work is defined as the product of force and the distance, that is yes, right? That is moved along the line of force, means they are moving along the same line. Is it clear? See, in this diagram, In this diagram, work is equal to force into displacement. W is equal to, see, blue arrow indicates force and displacement both are in the same direction. Why you are not able to see? Everybody can see my screen, no? No, wait. Wait, once again I will share my screen. Now are you able to see? Yes. See here, work done is, are you able to see my screen? Yes. See, work is said to be done when a force causes displacement of the object. You have seen, work has only magnitude but no direction. So, work will be is equal to a scalar. Now, are you able to see, children? Yes. See here, SI unit of work is, as I have told you on the board, that is Newton meter and joule. See, some of the examples that we are considering as work. See, sleeping, reading, those, and a man pushing a rock, those we are considering as a work, but actually their work is not done. The work is said to be zero. See here, this is actually where the work is said to be done. Cycling, a man is walking, and a student is, why you are annotating, don't do such type of things, okay? Who is this? Okay, a child is lifting the bag. See, positive work and negative work. The examples what I have told you is kicking a football, moving a chair, throwing a stone, and 10 examples I have given you, children. These are examples of the positive work done. See, negative work done is a man rowing a boat. I have already told you on the board. If you want to see the picture, see, when he is pushing the water backward, he is moving forward. Means there is a negative work done because the direction is in the opposite direction. See, now energy is nothing but the capacity to do the work. This is all about today's topic. If you have any doubt, now you can talk to me. Do you have any doubt, children? Shall I unmute you?